If you're in the market for non-stick cookware that combines style, functionality, and durability, look no further than this Utopia kitchen non-stick frying pan set with induction bottom. This 3-piece set includes 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch frying pans, designed to meet every cooking need, from morning omelets to savory stir-fries. These PFOA-free pans are crafted with an induction-friendly bottom and feature ergonomically designed, wobble-free Bakelite handles, offering both elegance and reliability. Whether you're a casual home cook or a culinary enthusiast, this set's non-stick technology and sleek design will add a touch of finesse to your kitchen. Let's dive into what makes the Utopia Kitchen Non-Stick Frying Pan Set a must-have addition to any kitchen. Why customers love the Utopia Kitchen Non-Stick Frying Pan Set. The Utopia Kitchen Frying Pan Set has earned high praise from customers for its functionality, durability, and excellent value. Users highlight the ease of cleaning, the effectiveness of the non-stick coating, and the versatility in pan sizes. Many reviewers appreciate how quickly the pans heat up and the even cooking results they deliver, which rival those of higher-end cookware brands. Key features of the Utopia Kitchen Non-Stick Frying Pan Set. 1. Non-stick surface for healthier cooking. Each pan in the Utopia Kitchen set boasts a premium quality non-stick coating, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. The non-stick surface allows you to use less oil, ensuring healthier meals while providing an easy food release experience. Imagine effortlessly flipping pancakes or sliding perfectly seared vegetables onto your plate. 2. Durable induction bottom. The induction bottom of these pans is compatible with all types of cooktops: gas, electric, ceramic, and induction. This versatility ensures that you can rely on these pans wherever you are, whether at home or on a portable induction cooktop. The induction base not only enhances heat distribution, but also boosts cooking efficiency, allowing for evenly cooked meals every time. 3. Sizes for every culinary need. The set includes 3 different pan sizes: 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch, allowing you to tackle any recipe with ease. The smaller 8-inch pan is perfect for single servings or small meals, while the 9.5-inch and 11-inch pans are ideal for larger meals and family-sized portions. With this versatile set, you'll have the right size for every meal. 4. Comfortable and wobble-free Bakelite handles. A secure grip is essential when cooking, and these pans feature wobble-free Bakelite handles that are firmly riveted, ensuring durability and comfort. Bakelite handles remain cool to the touch, even when the pans are on high heat, providing you with safe and comfortable handling while cooking. 5. PFOA-free and safe for the whole family. Concerned about toxins in your cookware? The Utopia Kitchen Frying Pan Set is PFOA-free, providing peace of mind as you cook for family and friends. You get the convenience of non-stick without worrying about harmful chemicals. Performance and cooking experience. Even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals. One of the standout features of this Utopia Kitchen set is the even heat distribution. The induction bottom and aluminum core ensure that the pans heat up quickly and uniformly, preventing hot spots and ensuring every ingredient is cooked to perfection. Whether simmering sauces, frying eggs, or searing meat, you can rely on these pans for consistent, professional quality results. Versatile usage for every recipe. These pans are incredibly versatile, allowing you to cook a wide range of recipes, from sautéing vegetables to making delicious sauces or stir-frying. The Utopia Kitchen Frying Pan Set does it all. The set's 3-pan range means you can easily whip up single servings or full family meals, making these pans your go-to tools for both everyday cooking and special occasions. Ideal for indoor and outdoor cooking. Planning a camping trip or a barbecue? These pans are not only perfect for indoor use, but can be used on portable induction cookers outdoors as well, making them a great companion for campers and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Care and maintenance tips. To ensure your Utopia Kitchen non-stick frying pan set lasts for years, follow these easy care tips. Cool down before cleaning. Let the pans cool before washing to maintain the non-stick coating. Hand wash recommended. Although these pans are dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to prolong their lifespan. Avoid abrasive cleaners or scouring pads, which can damage the non-stick surface. Dry immediately after washing. Always dry the cookware thoroughly to prevent water spots or rust. Use soft cloths, preferably cotton or linen, for the best results. With the right care, these pans will maintain their non-stick properties and good looks for years to come. Final verdict. Is the Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Frying Pan Set worth it? In short, yes. The Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Frying Pan Set with Induction Bottom is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. The non-stick surface allows for healthier cooking and easy cleanup, while the induction base ensures efficient heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals. The 3 different pan sizes provide the flexibility to cook anything from single servings to full family meals. Plus, the set's PFOA-free construction gives you peace of mind while preparing meals for loved ones. Whether you're upgrading your cookware or looking to add reliable non-stick pans to your collection, the Utopia Kitchen Frying Pan Set is a practical and stylish choice that delivers high performance at an affordable price. Add this versatile set to your kitchen and elevate your cooking experience today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.